Hey, what's up? Today was wild. CPI data came out pretty bad. So people are just worried about inflation. Papa Powell was talking about possibly raising interest rates and most likely not lowering them for the meantime. So people are scared. Mm. Today's gonna be a weird trading day. It's not how I like to trade. I probably won't trade today because I like to be in my level. So like range low, value area low, second day value area low. Like I like to have my levels. I don't know where my second day value area high. I like to have my levels like pretty solid, and this isn't really a solid level anywhere. But now looking at it, there's a level around right here. I put these little gray boxes where there's either a change of character or just a really popular bounce point. So I'm going to actually put that around here because this has been hit a lot. So when you keep seeing areas that are constantly respected, I'm going to put that in my notes. That area is actually somewhere that should be looked at. I have like a little chart every day that you probably can't see it, but it shows like a little level. So we were at 800 earlier, so like 800 to 808 is a really important area. But I basically just have levels that I look for. We're at 560 right now, so the closest levels would be resistance of 21,600 and support of 21,500, and then under that was supposed to be 21,340, but this 21,420 area, 410 to like 420. Let's see. That's a really big area. I'll have to narrow it down. Let's just say 420 to 435 area. Look out for. And then that's how you start finding your levels. Most of the levels that I have come from a strong rejection from the past. So, like this, there's like 21,931 area. There was a rejection. This was a rejection before. I don't know when, but I had that level a long time ago. And it was right here. But it rejected right here before. So I had already had that level a long time ago. I didn't think it would hit it exactly, though. It hit it like exactly as my notes said it. So that part was surprising. 500 could be a good bounce, but I don't know. It looks like we should be curling upwards. And then, I don't know. We just had such a breakdown. I don't like trading on these days. I probably won't trade today, to be honest. Probably be like a really short stream because when big news like this starts to happen and the market goes crazy, there's just no point of trying to force it. These are the days where you're trying to guess and figure out what's happening and then you end up losing. So I don't know if I'm going to mess with it. I'm just going to do other computer stuff. Like I have my normal daily stuff that I do. I'll have to share my screen one time on my phone and show you guys. These are just those weird days where it's like, why try to trade? Could be a V turn today. We'll have to see. I wouldn't be surprised. If I am gonna play something, I'm probably gonna play the breakout from this to this. I'm gonna figure out my stream too, so I can start putting music on here. It's just quiet. Hmm. Um, Missed the resistance. I was talking around 600. So not something I'm gonna try though. Yeah. So he just blew past 600, which is supposed to be a good resistance. It looks like it's going to be a V turn today. I wouldn't even short previous day range low. It's no point. You know, looks like it's just going to be a bullish pump for a bit. It's pumping on weaker volume, but that doesn't really mean much because the first few minutes of the opening. This is a damn. I'd actually want to play rejection right now because it's pumped up so damn quick. Damn, I gotta go swimming tomorrow. Fuck. I may say your hands. So, you outside. Yeah, man. Where's the shabu? Yeah, Japan. I don't want to touch that. If we have a stronger rejection, that's scary to play that breakout. I need to see a legit rejection. I actually, the way it pumped up so quick, it would have made sense to short that PD range low. This is what I was talking about. My levels, top tier. My plays, struggle at times. Yeah, Japan. I just don't like that breakout because it's so damn close to IBL. But we'll see. Okay. Let's see if it's a fake out. I don't feel comfortable with this, but we will see. Looks like a fake out to me. Wasn't. I don't know what's gonna happen. Looks iffy, but not gonna lie, I kind of want to get out of this. I don't like this one. It looks like it's gonna hit me. Bye. So, one thing I need to figure out on my system is how to break even because there's no way you should be up and then go down. You shouldn't be going down, you know? That's kind of stupid to be going down when you already were up. That's why I wanted to move it to break even. I think that's what it was. So we're gonna do that. I think I figured out why my parameters weren't working. It was a fucked fake out though. I had a feeling. Now it's probably gonna respect. This is low key about to be revenge trading. I'm not gonna do it. It's logged up. Got faked out. It's disappointing because I hate being up on a trade and not getting out and then losing. That is the most annoying feeling you will ever have, is being up and then not taking it and then losing. That shit will piss you off. Yeah, no, that shit sucks. So probably play the rejection right here. Yeah, you can right here. That would have been another solid trade. No, you really can't play the level. Only level you can really look at now is and trade a little bit of just a little bit of an aggressive trade. No, let's not be stupid. It's just revenge trading because I've literally had to play a PD range low IBL. Then the one play I played, I got temporarily faked out and lost. So I'm actually just kind of pissed. This should break out in this retest or the next one. Let's see how quickly it retests. When you take a loss, sometimes it's better just to walk away for a little bit, especially when it's a stupid loss like that and you're like kind of heated. That's why I was about to make that trade. No, just like, no, it's no point. It's stupid. You know it's stupid. You know you shouldn't do it. You just start revenge trading because you're in your feels. Because you were too dumb to put some parameters in. Very iffy to try to trade that. Bounce off a range low again because You're rejected off of that 700 area kind of hard. Not hard, but wasn't light either. So it's kind of iffy. What you just ended up bouncing really well off of. Which irritates me as well. Yeah, that's another play. So the 3 plays that I've called out that I didn't take were solid. The one play I did take, I get fucking faked out on. Beautiful. It's trading 101. I'm not going to play a breakdown in that area. It's no levels I really want right now. I wouldn't even play the breakdown. And doesn't Papa talk and like, yeah, Papa talks too. So, this day's over pretty much. I'm touching that. I want you to do exactly what I fucking don't want it to do. Yep. That's it. I told you. Just wrote some notes. So that bullishness was looks like it was just a fake out. Yeah. Could have just played the breakdown again. That's 4 plays I've actually called out of 5. I'm the only one that doesn't go my way. Yeah. Looks like the market doesn't care about what's the name? Powell talking too much right now. I'm disgusted. Yeah. Might cut it. Yeah, I just caught in the fake out. There's no trades really that I'm gonna mess with. I mean, maybe the balance at 550, but I mean, we're under range low. Like, that was just a really solid fake out that I got hit with. Yeah, it's about time to just call it today. I don't like where the market's going. I mean, I just don't see any solid levels that I would play. I'm not doing any calls down here. Stupid. I tried to ride the wave, but I rode the end of the wave, which was dumb. I mean, down here we already knew we were gonna pump, most likely. So I mean, best play would have been to just do a call close to opening and just let it ride all the way up. But you would never know. That's my first bad trade in like 2, 3 weeks. Yeah, there's no point of waiting for this. I'm just gonna waste my time. All right, I'm gonna cut it. I lost a little bit today. Let me see, and I'm $70 under where I started, so it's not a big deal, but it's annoying. Just to go over a review, um, could have played this breakdown. Could have played this rejection. This was the first rejection I said I might not play. I don't know why. I actually didn't play that. Tried to play this breakout, failed. But the positive is I learned that. Well, at least I've figured out, I think, how to do the break even because that's really important. You should not take a loss when you were just up 100 or 120, $50. So my break even thing is I like Quantower because Quantower you just click break even automatically when you're up a certain amount. But this one, I think I figured it out. So this loss today was actually really annoying, but I learned something actually really important from it. And then I didn't play the breakout again, which would have worked. And then I wasn't gonna play that bounce, and that was the breakout I was talking about. And that's it. So I'm gonna call it, take a L, pay attention, and try to make some better trades next time. Like go in, make a solid trade, get it done, and that's it. Just start taking more initiative, even though. I don't think I'm gonna try to trade again because it looks like it wants to do something. I know how that goes. Exactly how that goes. Yeah, I'm not gonna force that. All right, I'll let you guys up. Maybe. Don't do this, people. Mm. Okay. I'm going to do MNQ. And we will do 4 contracts. Micros are just 1/10 of what the normal thing is. If you want to take a trade, which you're losing and you don't feel confident, or you don't think it's the best idea, you just make it a small trade. Even though my teacher said that you really shouldn't do that. Like, if you're going to make a trade, you should just make a trade. No, I think to be smart. I'm going to be smart on this one. I'm not going to force it. This is just revenge trading at this point. So, yeah, I'm going to call it, guys. Be smart. Have some discipline. Even when you want a revenge trade. This area has shown you it is not reliable. It has shown you time and time again it is not reliable, and it will fuck you over if you give it the chance. So, stay away from it. If it's a new level, mess with it. But this level, I'm not going to touch it again. I'm not going to try to force it. So, all right, guys. I'll be on tomorrow, and then I won't be on Friday because I have a gaming tournament in San Jose. So, I will be back on Monday, even though I do want to play this rejection. All right, that makes me feel better. It doesn't make me feel better, actually. Just go crazy. Pump. So I'll feel like the trade I should have took. Here you go. Good shit. That's what I'm saying. It's unpredictable. Would have lost. Not yet, but I would have lost. No, I would have got stopped out. Yep. Been stopped. And I'd been pissed because it went right back down, possibly. But whatever. Restraint. I actually had restraint. So that was another fake out. People think it's going to go up. Yep. I'm glad I wasn't dumb. I will call it. I'll see you guys tomorrow and then Monday. And we will actually get this fucking account where it should be. I'm a pass this account. There's no bullshit. So, all right, guys. See you tomorrow.